जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक। लेक्चर 5 MGT 503 Managerial Levels and Skills. Levels of managers in an organization: top manager, middle managers, first line managers, non managerial employees. First line managers or first line managers are those managers having the least authority and are at the lowest level in the hierarchy of the organization. First line managers are at the lowest level of management and manage the work of non-managerial individuals who are involved within the production or creation of the organization products. They are often called supervisors, but may also be called line managers, office managers, or even foremen. Title often include the terms supervisor. Factors changing the jobs of first line managers include emphasize upon worker participation and teamwork and the use of computers to regulate many activities formally regulated by first line managers. The jobs of first line managers are likely to change toward a greater emphasis on dealing with the internal human relations. नेक्स्ट है ये middle level managers are those managers beneath the top levels of the hierarchy and directly supervise other managers below them. Hmm. यहाँ पर है हमारे पास ये टिपिकल टाइटल्स इंक्लूड मैनेजर, डायरेक्टर ऑफ, चीफ डिपार्टमेंट हेड एंड डिवीजन हेड। जी, तो ये कुछ है मिडल मैनेजर्स के जो कुछ टिपिकल टाइटल्स हैं, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास मिडल मैनेजर्स आर मेनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इम्प्लीमेंटिंग ओवरऑल ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल प्लान्स सो दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल गोल्स आर अचीव्ड एज expected. They plan, allocate resources to meet objectives and coordinate and link groups, departments, and divisions within a company. They monitor and manage the performance of the subunits and individuals managers who report to them. Implement change or strategies generated by top managers. It is predicted that there will be increasingly less emphasis on hierarchical levels in organization. ये हमारे पास एक एब्रीवेशन आ गई है, CEO, चीफ एग्जेक्टिव ऑफिसर, प्रेसिडेंट, एग्जेक्टिव वाइस प्रेसिडेंट। अब ये जो है इसकी भी जो एब्रीवेशन बन सकती है EVP, ठीक है, एग्जेक्टिव वाइस प्रेसिडेंट, एग्जेक्टिव डायरेक्टर, सीनियर वाइस प्रेसिडेंट। ये हो जाएगा हमारा SP, ठीक है। और यहाँ पर है हमारे पास एंड समटाइम्स वाइस प्रेसिडेंट। The overall planning for the organization work with middle managers in implementing and planning and maintain overall control over the progress of the organization in those public corporation that sell their stock to the public. Top managers report to the board of directors whose function is to represent the interests of the stockholders. They are responsible for the overall direction of the organization and for creating the context for change. They develop in employees the attitudes of commitment to and ownership in the company's performance and create a positive organizational culture through language and action. Difference in functions of management within the hierarchy. A number of aspects of the management process differ within the hierarchy. The importance of each of the function of management differs from one managerial level to another. Planning, organizing, leading, controlling. Planning tends to be more important for top level managers. Organizing tends to be more important for boss, top, and middle level managers. Leading is more important for first line managers. Controlling is important among all levels of the hierarchy. Management skills, knowledge, and performance. Managers need knowledge base. BH managers need three types of key skills. उसके बाद C है the concept of organizational performance. Managers need a knowledge base. This knowledge base provides context for the manager's activities. नेक्स्ट ये हमारे पास मैनेजर्स needs three types of key skills to perform the duties and activities associated with being a manager. तो इसमें जो है इसके देख लेते हैं टेक्निकल स्किल्स, ह्यूमन स्किल्स, conceptual skills. Technical skills are skills that reflect both an understanding of and proficiency in a specialized field. इसमें आपने जो है बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग टर्म आपने करना बिल्कुल नहीं होता है, ठीक है। आपने जस्ट एक एक लाइन को कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करने के लिए आपने रीड करना होता है। Human skills are associated with the manager's ability to work well with others, both as a member of a group and as a leader who gets things done through others. Conceptual skills are skills related to the ability to visualize the organization as a whole and discern in interrelationships among organizational parts and understand how the organizational fit into the wider context of the industry, community, and the world. The concepts of organizational performance was analyzed by Peter Drucker. Effectiveness, efficiency. Effectiveness is the ability to choose appropriate goals and to achieve those goals. Efficiency is the ability to make the best use of available resources in the process of achieving goals. Managing in the 21st century, the world of business has changed dramatically in the past generation or so. The four trends are likely to impact managerial work in the future. Successful managers in the 21st century will have to be able to guide their companies through shifts in economic conditions, modifications in customer performances, rapidly changing technology, and other changes. The workforce is becoming increasingly diverse. Business increasingly face global competition. Therefore, managers need to have greater knowledge of international business and to develop a global perspective. Businesses are also more likely to be operating in more than one country. Quality management programs have become increasingly important, and total quality management program aimed to at continuous improvement have been implemented in many business. Uh, Global competition has created an emphasis for better quality. जी तो ये था हमारा फिफ्थ लेक्चर। इंशाल्लाह अब हमारा लेक्चर सिक्स्थ हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको इससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्प हुई होगी। टेक केयर एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में।